Okay, I've got a really cool product that was sent to me by Radex. This is the Strebito Mini Ratchet Set with 30 different bits. This is a 32 piece. One piece is the ratchet itself, the little extension, and then all of these little bits. So let me show you these bits. This is a paid sponsorship, so thank you for sending this to me, Radex. Check that out. See all of those different things, all those different bits. I actually was just recently able to get a screw out that I wouldn't have been able to get out with a regular screw gun or screwdriver. I've got this really tight place right now, but I've got my Strebito little right angle screwdriver here. And I honestly have tried using the power drill and have not been successful. I've tried a regular screwdriver and it's too long to get back there to get that screw. See that screw right back there? I've got to get that out. And so now I'm gonna try it with this Strebito little right angle screwdriver. And so because this is small, let's see if I can get in there and get it. Let's see. Oh my goodness, that's perfect. Yeah, I've not been able to do that at all. Oh, this is awesome. I really didn't think I would need this thing until just now. I just heard the block fall that I needed out. It's awesome. Get this screw out of here so that I can get an actual shelf clip in here instead of a block. Look, this thing's coming right out. That's awesome. There it goes. I probably could just take this one. Awesome, the Strebito little right angle ratchet set did the job. Sweet. This thing was perfect. I had the right size bit in here, so that was awesome. This comes in a little plastic case and it holds all your little bits. This has many different bits in it. It actually says right here on the very back, everything that's in here. It has square, flathead, Phillips, spline, posi drive, that's the star. It has the 4X and the spanner. It says it right there. Check all that out. This is really easy to put together. It's really small, as you can see. It fits right in the palm of my hand, just like that.